This is one of the Electro-Weld brand spot welding machines. On this you can weld many products, thickness from 0.3 mm to 3 mm thick, products such as general engineering workshops, makers of furniture, electrical instruments, containers, barrels, drums, telephone equipment, radio and communication devices, clocks, kitchenware, textile machinery and spares, automobiles, bicycles, motorcycle parts, scooter parts, automobile accessories, toys, air conditioners, refrigerators, transformers, motors, switch gears, and etc. Now we'll show you the parts of the spot welding machine. This over here are the chromium, zirconium, copper electrodes, wear resistance. These are electrode holders and these are electrode holder arms which are connected to the housings, top here and bottom here. This over here is the thyristerized electronic controller. On this you can adjust the power control by rotating this knob. For thinner sheets, keep it less percentage. For thicker sheet, keep on increasing. Over here, this is a weld timing in cycles. Again, for thinner sheets, keep less cycles, and for thicker sheets, keep on increasing the cycles till you get a good weld. This one here is a timer on-off switch. When you switch on the timer light will come on. This one over here is the water circulating pump that pulls the secondary from here to here, again from here to here, so that while welding you get the consistent current all the time. This machine needs to be connected to two lines of 3-phase 415 volts 50 HZ 40 ampere power supply. So with this grooves, the chart is given over here how to connect the cable, that also is mentioned over here. This over here is a pump on-off switch for circulating the water. Now we will show the welding of the strips and components on this 15 kVA Electro-Weld brand spot welding machine. Supposing you want to weld 0.5 plus 0.5 mm thick MS components like this, then kindly arrange the power control, say at number 30% of the heat, the weld timing say about 10 cycles, and switch on the timer switch. You will see the mains on, light will indicate. Now we can put the two sheets in between the electrodes and press this pedal fully. You will see the welding will take place and the current cutoff will take place automatically. See, this is how it is spot welded. Now we will show you welding of 2 mm plus 2 mm thick MS components. For this again we have to adjust the power control, say number at 6, which corresponds to 60% of the duty cycle of the machine, and this weld timing keep at 15 cycles, whereas the pressure spring is provided at the back, that is pre-adjusted at our works. Now we will show you the welding of two sheets which are thicker. To keep both the sheets between the two electrodes and then press this pedal fully. You shall observe the welding will take place and the current cutoff will be automatic. Just see. See, we have welded 3 spots. The weld strength is good. In case you don't get a good weld strength, you can increase the weld current and the weld timing, whereas the pressure is pre-adjusted at our works. Thank you.
Start.
On this machine, you can also weld nuts having 4 projections or 3 projections on MS components. Like you can weld the nuts on the car bumpers, scooter parts, or any other parts. We'll show you how to weld these nuts on the MS brackets or components. First of all, again, you have to adjust the current over here. See, for this is about 8 mm nut. Kindly keep the power control at 70%. Weld timing, say about 20 cycles, and switch on the timer. Then keep the component and the nut in between the electrodes, and for this welding nuts you must have flat electrodes on both the sides. Now you can press the pedal fully. You will see nut will get welded. See, this is how the nut is fully welded. Now this will never break. Thank you. This machine, you can also weld kitchen baskets by spot welding, projection welding the rod to rod from 2 mm to 6 mm. Since this is a 15 kVA, if you want to weld bigger diameter rods, then we can supply you a bigger kVA transformer. Now we'll show you the welding of the rod to rod for the making of kitchen baskets. You can keep the rods put in the 2 pieces, but before that, kindly once again adjust the power, say about 60%, weld timing, say about 15 cycles, pressure is pre-adjusted in the box. You can now put the rods to be welded but in the 2 electrodes and press the pedal like this fully, and you will see the welding will take place and the current will get cut off automatically. See, this is how it is welded. We'll once again show you. Just see, we'll again press the pedal and you will see the weld will take place. Again we'll show you the welding so that we make a square out of this. This is how the rods are welded so that you can make kitchen baskets on these machines also. On this machine you can also weld T-joints by providing this T-holding fixture. By removing the bottom electrode holder, you insert this T-holding fixture in the bottom arm and you can then do the T welding. We'll show you how. First you hold a rod in the bottom electrode holder like this. Then start the timer over here. Adjust the current, say power, at 50% and the weld time, say about 15 cycles, for welding 6 mm plus a 6 mm SS and MS rods, by putting the rod on top of the bottom rod and then pressing this upper electrode and depressing the pedal. You will see the welding will take place. So this is how it is welded. Now you can declamp the job. This is how, for making kitchen baskets, you can also weld T joints.